Hey everyone, it's Chris, your Campus Buzz super user here. I hope you're all having a great day. Hey, just by a show of hands, let me know who's having fun today. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, I'm gonna be having Dory tell me after this who was raising their hands, and whoever was raising their hands who was in my class is gonna be getting extra credit. So, okay, anyway, so I'm gonna show you how to use Buzz today. I'm gonna show you how to log in, I'm gonna show you how to navigate, go into your courses, submit homework assignments, look at your grades, and look at feedback that teachers are giving you. Okay, so let's begin. All right, so this is the login page. So what you want to do is you want to go up to the upper right-hand corner here, and instead of hitting login, you're actually going to click on the three dots here. All right, then you're going to click on Use Application Login. Okay, that's going to bring you the fields of username and password, and you just type in those things. I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, you type them in and hit enter, and that's going to log you in. All right, this is the home page for Buzz. This is where you'll find all your course tiles for everything. All right, so I'm gonna just come down to one of these courses and I'm gonna show you how to go into it. All right, to go into your course, all you have to do is hover over the course tile and click it. That's it, simple as that. All right, so this is what a typical course looks like in Buzz. Over on the left-hand side here, we have our units. So I'm going to click into Unit 1 here. All right, and this is going to show me all the sessions that are in that unit. Now, let's say you walk into your class and your teacher says, hey, open up to Buzz and open up today's session folder. How are you going to find today's session folder? You're going to look for today's date. All right, so the teacher is always going to put the day's date for that session onto the session folder. So today's August 26th. I'm finding August 26th here, and there's my session. All right, so I'm going to click into that, and that's going to show you everything that's in that session folder. All right, so your teacher is typically going to put stuff into this session folder, like attach things that you're going to need, like resources. And it could be anything like a picture of the board or a worksheet or a video or anything like that. And to access those things, you want to click on classwork or whatever else that the teacher decided to title these resources. And you want to come up to the upper left-hand side into the attachments. It's going to look like a little paper clip here. You're going to click that, and then you're going to click whatever it is that the teacher attached. Once you click on that, the computer is going to download it. You can open it. And there it is, all right? In this case, it's a picture of the board that the teacher took. Okay, so let's go back, and I'm going to show you how to submit homework. All right, so this year we're calling homework HW Tiered Skill / Product. This is where you're going to find your homework assignments, where you're going to find the instructions, and where you're going to upload those assignments. Okay, and the teacher might choose to title it, to extend the title in some way, but overall it's going to be called in capital letters, the Tiered Skill Product. Okay, so we're going to click into that, and here's how we're going to find our instructions for an assignment. All right, so we're going to come up to upper left-hand side here, and it's going to look like a little pen. I'm going to click on that, and here's my instructions for my homework assignment. So I'm going to read these pages, I'm going to define these terms, and I'm going to answer these questions, right? So once I've done all of that, I'm going to come down to the lower right-hand side here, and I'm going to click Show Dropbox. All right, so there's two ways to submit your homework assignments. One is in this text box here, so you can type out your homework into the text box, or you can attach the file by clicking Choose File here. Now, let's say you've done your homework on a Google Doc. All right, so instead of copying and pasting the text into Google Doc, from the Google Doc into the Dropbox like that, what you want to do with the Google Doc is download that as a Word file. Now, to do that, you go to your Google Doc, and you're going to click File. You're going to come down to Download, and then you're going to click Microsoft Word. And once you do that, it's going to download the Google Doc as a Word file on your computer. Oops. Click it. All right, and there's my Word doc. All right, so I have that on my computer. So I'm going to click Choose File, and I'm going to come down. I'm going to find the title of the file, whatever you titled the homework as. And once you find it, you're just going to double click, and it's going to attach it. Now, let's say you by accident attach the wrong file. All you have to do to unattach it is to click on the little blue garbage can here, and it's going to unattach it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to attach this again. And once you have it attached, you're going to see it right here. Once you have it attached, you're going to click Save, and then you're going to click Submit. Now, the reason why you click Save is you want to get into the habit of clicking Save all the time when you are uploading your assignments, because let's say I started doing an assignment in the text box here, and for whatever reason, either like lunch has started, or the student Wi-Fi has gone down, or you have another class you have to go to. You have to put that assignment aside for a while and close out Buzz. You want that to save. So you have to click Save if you're in the middle of the assignment. That way it'll save it onto Buzz. And if you don't click Save, the next time you log into Buzz and say, oh, I'm going to finish my assignment, it's going to be blank. And you're going to have to do that assignment all over again, and nobody wants that, obviously. So you're going to click Save, and then you're going to click Submit. All right, so now you've submitted your assignment. All right, once you've submitted your assignment and the teacher grades the assignment, you can view your grades by clicking on the little upper left-hand corner in menu here. And you're going to click Grades, and you'll be able to see your grades here. You can also see comments that your teacher has given you by going into the grades or going back into the assignment itself. All right, so after you've, let's say I've submitted the assignment, I'm going to go back into it, and I'm going to go back into the assignment again, into the Dropbox. But now I'm going to go up to the upper right-hand corner here, and you see this little icon here. I'm just going to, right next to the grade that you got on the right-hand side, you're going to click that, and we can scroll down, and it's going to show you a rubric that the teacher used in order to grade the assignment. And then all the way on the bottom is going to show you any comments that the teacher made. Very important that you want to look at that, because you want to see how you did and the reason why you got the grade that you did, and you want to be able to discuss that with your teacher. And you want to see for the future how to improve or what you did well. All right, so to get back to your home page, all you have to do is, once again, go up to the menu over here, and you want to click the little house icon on the left-hand side. Okay, so another way to get to your assignments, rather than going into the course tile and then the homework, the units and the sessions and the homework itself, you can also get to it in a quicker way by clicking on To-Do List here. All right, and that'll show you all the assignments that you have for all of your courses, and all you have to do is click on the assignment that you want to do, and then you're into it, and you can go into the Dropbox and see all the instructions as before. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, you can always come see me. I'm Chris. Or you can always go to Dory as well. I wish you good luck, and let's have a great year.